Today, let's talk about Foaming Devour. I'll come back to this in a second, but first, watch this. Foaming Devour is a drain maintainer that is sprayed through a tube to digest the most stubborn buildup in your drain. See here, I put the tube all the way through, and that's just what it'll look like in your drain. The foam clings to the sides and expands rapidly, allowing for the entire width of the drain to be treated, not just one side. It contains natural bacillus bacteria and citrus oil for both cleaning and odor elimination, removing buildup and bad smells. The citrus oil quickly breaks down the organic matter within the drain, making it easier for the bacteria to digest it. It's great for bar drains, sinks, kitchen tub and shower, ice machine, garbage disposal, any hard-to-reach drains. From floor drains to sink drains, Foaming Devour is harmless to any type of plumbing and disposals. Plus, it will not have any effect on septic or wastewater treatment systems. Now, take a look at this. When I started this video, I sprayed some Foaming Devour at the top of this jug, and you can still see it here clinging to the top of the jug, just like it will in your drain, to get the entire width of your drain and keep it clean. Then it'll fall down, get the rest of the buildup in your drain. Now, visit www.stateindustrial.com to check out Foaming Devour or learn more about our other solutions for your drains, odor problems, and much, much more.